Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we'll be making the Gin and Tonic, also known as the Gin and Tin or GNT. Are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Gin, I have here from St. George, tonic water, and a lime, 3 items. It's still time, let's go grab ice, a rocks glass. If you have a highball glass, that can work too. A jigger, a bar spoon, a knife, and a bottle opener. First step, what we're gonna do is prep our garnish. So grab your lime. What we're gonna do is cut wedges. Set the lime aside, grab your glass, add ice into your glass, grab your bottle of gin. We'll be pouring 1.5 ounce of gin into the glass. Now get your tonic water, open the bottle. You can free pour your tonic water all the way to the top, close to the rim. That'll give you 4.5 ounces. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you using a jigger. Stir your drink. And the last step is to garnish with wine. And there you go, my friends, gin and tonic. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.